And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica is set to make a last-ditch effort to qualify its men's 4x400-meter relay team for the Paris Olympic Games, with the staging of a special mile relay event at next week's national trials. According to TVJ Sports sources, the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the JAAA, has summoned athletes, coaches and other support personnel to a virtual meeting this evening to discuss the details and the preparations for the event. The special 4x4 is set for Sunday, June 30, the final day of the national trials, which is also the deadline day for Olympic qualification. It comes just 2 days after the team failed in its most recent effort to qualify at the NACAC New Life Invitational Meet in the Bahamas. The team ran 2 minutes 59.75 seconds on that occasion. Jamaica's men must run faster than 2 minutes 59.12 seconds to qualify for Paris. The team failed to nail down one of 14 automatic qualification spots at the World Athletics Relays last month in the Bahamas. Meanwhile, it's understood that there's huge support at the meeting now in progress for the inclusion of a men's 4x400-meter event at 8:05 p.m. on Sunday, June 30, the final day of the national trials. There is a proposal to have the top 16 competitors in the 400 meters advance to the semi-final round of that event, with a view to reduce the number of rounds on the top runners in an attempt to run the mile relay. A final decision will be made in 24 hours and also a likely adjustment to the overall schedule to reflect the men's 400-meter final on Saturday's penultimate day.